Okay, today's January 1st, 2020. New Year's Eve sale. I got this email today. Now keep in mind, if you bought anything prior to the sale and now it's on sale, you can go back and receive the difference within 30 days. I'm not sure of all their rules on it, so you have to check with your local store, but they do have a 30-day price guarantee. So if you click on it, you'll get to this. And the countdown counter says there's only 17 hours, 51 minutes left in the sale. If you're into DeWalt, or DeWalt, depending on how you want to pronounce that puppy, this is an excellent, this is the Max XR set for 49% off today only. 46% off of the Crown stapler, and you get some free junk with it. If you remember the other video, this kit right here was on sale for $199 in a previous video. That's this kit here. Now it's $179. Same kit. So they've lowered it even more. I can't justify this kit here because I'll be getting too many duplicate stuff. While I like this kit here, they're all M18 fuel. You do get the nice charger that I think that charges both. Let me look and see. No, maybe not. No, it looks like it's only the M18 charger. But I'll have duplicate of these, only I have the M12. I don't really need the angle grinder that much, and I don't really need the hacksaw that much. So this wouldn't do me any good, actually. I wouldn't mind having this rolling case, though. As far as the jigsaw goes, I got the Ryobi $129 jigsaw in a previous video for free with buying the battery, the 2 battery pack and charger set. And it's brushless. This one's not brushless, although this one's actually probably a really nice jigsaw. It doesn't have all the features the Ryobi does, and I don't think, I've seen somebody's review of it. If I'm remembering correctly, it doesn't blow the sawdust out of your way to see your line better. These are all sold out, but I have no use for any of that, not really. Oh, that's a 1/4 inch. I wouldn't. mind having the 3/8 impact. If it's 600 inch-pounds of torque, divide that by 12. Well, technically, that's only 50 foot-pounds of torque. So the fuel ratchet actually has more breakaway torque than that. So there's no real reason for me to have that. That looks like a nice jigsaw. I don't really need a bandsaw. That seems like a nice deal there. I'm not sure if I like that or not. Rigid fans can get in on the action as well here. Save 55%. Save 59% on this. And so far the biggest savings would be this Ryobi. Save 62%. They call this a 9-tool combo kit, and I guess technically it has 9 tools, but I don't count lights and I don't count the little vacuum thing, so to me it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tool kit. At $249 divided by 7, that's only $35.57 per tool. Tremendous buy here. Now keep in mind, I'm not even going to have this posted in the 17 hours left. The reason that we're making the video is so you learn to budget. If you budget, you can buy this stuff later when it's on sale. Now the kit that I want, I'm also continuing to check on the kit that I bought to make sure that it doesn't go on sale again, because I want to go in and collect the difference if it does, obviously. But I want this kit. This is cordless but not brushless. I think I said in a previous video that I haven't seen a multi-tool that was brushless. I think that DeWalt actually has one. It might be their Atomic, I'm not sure. But I have seen one since I have said that. But I wouldn't have that much use for a multi-tool anyway. It would be nice to have to trim the bottom of door frames and stuff like that. Make a straight cut around a box or something in sheetrock or whatever. For what little that I would use it, this one would be more than adequate. I don't really need the right angle drill. I already have this drill, although I'd have the fuel version, and I already have the impact, so these two would be unnecessary. But you would get the saw, you would get the camera, you'd get the hacksaw, and the radio and light, this would be a fairly decent thing, and I could sell these two. I wish it would go on sale for even more than that though. And you get a free $99 battery. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. If you want to count all this, you can. Oh, and 6 for the camera. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools. $149, a little over $100 per tool. Problem is, if you look at these different tools, they're all less than $100 anyway. The hacksaw thing is $89 by itself. The 90-degree angle right angle drill is $79. The multi-tool by itself is $79. The camera is $114.99, $115. The drill driver is $89. The impact is $89. But, and it's a big but, when you add all this together, and I can't find this bag sold separately, but when you add all of this together, including the 6 amp hour battery you get with it for $99, the charger, which ain't on this picture here, is $55. The 3 amp hour batteries, this one, is $79, and the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, a 2-pack is $79. The flashlight is $39 and the radio is $99. So when you add all of this stuff up together, it comes out to $989.99, not counting the bag. I don't know what that is. That probably adds another $30 to $40 to it. So a little over $1,000. You're basically getting this stuff for $440.99 less by buying this kit. And I don't have that much duplicated stuff by getting this kit. There is a little bit of duplicates here. But I could keep this right angle drill and sell the Ryobi one. I could sell these two because I've already got them in the other kit. And the rest of the stuff I don't have. And this is the kit that I did actually buy. And this is probably the kit that I'll keep out of the two. Still the price that I bought it for. I want this to go down to $179 or something, so I can go collect the difference. So I'm going to keep an eye on this for the next 30 days. Make sure you keep your receipt. And I keep the box and everything else that goes with it. I keep everything in a pristine manner, at least until the 90-day return window is closed. On something like this, I would keep everything for 5 years until the warranty ran out as well. But like I've said in a previous video, or more than one video probably, now I keep all of that stuff, so when I'm through with it and want to buy the next latest greatest, I can sell the older version on eBay for more money because I've got everything that come with it. So anyway, let me know what you think. Should I buy this poop right here? What would you do? Leave it in a comment. Buy this or not. I mean, these aren't brushless, but that's not that big a deal because most of these tools I wouldn't need in brushless anyway. This wouldn't be a brushless tool to begin with. So really you're only getting this multi-tool, the hacksaw, and the angle drill, non-brushless. These two I would sell because I wouldn't need the duplicates, and these wouldn't be brushless anyway. So I don't see the advantage to trying to buy this kit in the fuel version. They don't even have some of this in a fuel version. But let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.